Hi, Jack the Lifeman here, and today I want to talk to you about mortgage insurance from the bank. Now, I have talked about this a million times. I've just done a free video series for you on it as well. And while doing this video series, it blew me out of the water to know what the banks actually get away with in this case. Mortgage insurance from the bank, 85% of people who have it don't even qualify. Is it me just saying that? No, I'll prove it to you in this video series. I'll give you just a little taste. But basically, one of the questions states, have you ever been tested for high blood pressure? And everybody answers no. But it's impossible because most people will go to the doctor at least once a year and they'll always be tested for high blood pressure. They'll always have a cuff put around their arm. Now that doesn't mean you have high blood pressure, but you were tested for it. So with mortgage insurance from the bank, what they can do is they can actually look at that application after you die, because they do what's called post-claim underwriting. They only look at your medical and your information after you die, and then they assess whether you should get paid out. Essentially, the only thing you're actually qualified for when you first apply for insurance with the bank is you're qualified to make payments. But because they don't do any underwriting, no blood test, no urine test, then they can obviously argue anything down the road. My suggestion is always to get a life insurance product to protect you, through an independent advisor, where a licensed broker such as myself will go through questions with you, specific questions, not vague or misleading questions that are grouped into one particular paragraph, and you'll probably do a urine test or a blood test or a paramedical. It's a pain in the butt, I understand that, but in the end, you want your family to get paid out, and you don't want any mishaps happening along the way should the worst happen. So my recommendation is look into this. If you have mortgage insurance protection, give me a call. First, take a look at my video, because what I'll do in that video is I'll go to one of 5 banks and I'll actually take their application, I'll go through it with you, and I'll actually show you how they got you. Jack the Lifeman signing off. Talk to you soon.